Welcome to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're counting down 15 of the most exciting and innovative products shaping smart living in 2025. From futuristic robots to clever kitchen appliances, and from smart home devices to entertainment tech, this lineup has something for everyone. Let's jump right in. Number 15. LUBA Mini AWD LiDAR Robotic Mower. The LUBA Mini AWD is an all-wheel drive robotic mower designed to tackle lawns of various shapes and terrains. Equipped with LiDAR navigation, it maps your yard with precision, eliminating the need for boundary wires. Its AWD system ensures it can handle slopes, uneven ground, and tight corners. With customizable mowing zones and schedules, this mower offers full control from a smartphone app, making yard work both effortless and efficient. Number 14. Eureka ReactiSense 440 Vacuum Cleaner. The ReactiSense 440 by Eureka is a smart vacuum cleaner with adaptive suction technology. Its ReactiSense system automatically detects floor types and adjusts power accordingly, ensuring carpets and hard floors are cleaned thoroughly. With powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and lightweight maneuverability, the 440 makes everyday cleaning faster and easier. The large dustbin and easy empty design also reduce maintenance. Number 13. Mammotion SPINO E1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. The SPINO E1 by Mammotion is an advanced robotic pool cleaner that uses intelligent path planning to cover every corner of your swimming pool. It's equipped with high-efficiency motors and a filtration system capable of capturing fine debris, sand, and leaves. Wireless operation and quick charging capabilities make it highly convenient, while its modular design ensures simple maintenance and long-lasting performance. Number 12. Dreame Cyber X Stair-Climbing Robot Vacuum. The Dreame Cyber X is no ordinary robot vacuum. It features innovative stair-climbing technology that allows it to move between multiple levels of a home. With LiDAR navigation and obstacle detection, it creates accurate cleaning maps and avoids hazards. Its strong suction, long battery life, and mop attachment make it a versatile cleaning companion. The ability to climb stairs sets it apart as a new generation of robotic cleaners. Number 11. Reolink TrackFlex Floodlight Wi-Fi Camera. The TrackFlex by Reolink is a dual-purpose security device combining a floodlight with a smart Wi-Fi camera. It features 4K resolution, color night vision, and AI-powered motion detection. The floodlight automatically activates when movement is detected, while the camera tracks subjects with pan and tilt functionality. With two-way audio and app integration, the TrackFlex provides both visibility and security for homes and businesses. Number 10. Roborock Zeo X Washer Dryer. Roborock introduces the Zeo X, an innovative washer dryer designed for compact spaces. It uses zeolite technology for fast, energy-efficient drying while maintaining fabric care. With smart load detection, the machine automatically adjusts cycles to optimize time and water usage. A sleek touch display and app integration add convenience, while quiet operation ensures minimal disturbance at home. Number 9. Smeg ECF03 Espresso Coffee Machine. The Smeg ECF03 is a stylish espresso machine that blends retro design with modern performance. It features a 15-bar pressure pump, thermoblock heating system, and professional steam wand for lattes and cappuccinos. Its compact footprint makes it suitable for any kitchen, while its vibrant colors and stainless steel details add charm. Simple controls and customizable coffee settings make the ECF03 both user-friendly and barista-worthy. Number 8. Typhur Dome2 Air Fryer. The Dome2 by Typhur is a next-generation air fryer with a unique dome-shaped design for even airflow and consistent cooking. Its large capacity accommodates family-sized meals, while multiple cooking modes handle frying, roasting, baking, and dehydrating. With smart app controls, users can monitor cooking progress, access recipes, and adjust settings remotely. The Dome2 is energy efficient, fast, and designed to reduce oil usage while maintaining crisp, delicious results. Number 7. BLITZHOME BH6CDW Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The BH6CDW from BLITZHOME is a compact portable dishwasher perfect for small kitchens, apartments, or RVS. Despite its size, it offers multiple wash cycles, including eco, heavy, and quick modes. The transparent window and LED controls make operation simple, while the built-in water tank allows use without permanent plumbing. With UV sterilization and hot drying, it delivers convenience and hygiene in one device. Number 6. EchoSpot by Amazon Alexa. The new EchoSpot combines Alexa voice control with a compact smart display. Its circular design makes it perfect for nightstands, kitchens, or small spaces. Users can check the weather, watch videos, control smart home devices, and enjoy music with immersive sound. The customizable display allows for personal touches like photos, while Alexa's growing list of skills ensures the EchoSpot continues to evolve. Number 5. Agari Smart Oven with Automatic Reverse Grilling Technology. The Agari Smart Oven introduces a unique automatic reverse grilling feature, ensuring food is evenly cooked on all sides. With precision temperature control, app connectivity, and multiple cooking modes, it's designed for versatility. Whether roasting, baking, or grilling, the oven maintains consistent results while reducing the need for manual adjustments. Its sleek build and easy-to-clean surfaces add to its practicality in modern kitchens. Number 4. Petlibro RFID Smart Feeder. Petlibro's RFID Smart Feeder uses intelligent recognition to ensure each pet receives the correct portion of food. By detecting RFID tags on a pet's collar, the feeder opens only for the intended animal, preventing food theft between pets. With scheduling, portion control, and app monitoring, it provides both convenience and peace of mind. Its airtight storage also keeps food fresh longer. Number 3. Dyson HushJet Compact Purifier. The HushJet by Dyson is a compact air purifier designed for quiet performance without compromising efficiency. Its multi-layer filtration captures allergens, dust, and pollutants, while its compact size makes it ideal for bedrooms or offices. Advanced sensors monitor air quality in real time, adjusting fan speed automatically. With its whisper-quiet operation, the HushJet delivers clean air without disruption. Number 2. Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro Projector. The Nebula X1 Pro is a portable projector that brings cinematic experiences into any space. With 4K resolution, HDR support, and powerful built-in speakers, it delivers both stunning visuals and immersive audio. Its compact design and long-lasting battery make it easy to carry indoors or outdoors. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enable seamless streaming from various devices, turning any wall into a personal theater. Number 1. Current Model P Smart Pizza. Oven topping our list is the Current Model P Smart Pizza Oven. Designed for authentic pizza lovers, it combines traditional stone baking with smart technology. It reaches high temperatures quickly, ensuring crisp crusts and evenly cooked toppings. With app-based controls, users can set precise baking modes, monitor progress, and receive notifications when their pizza is ready. The Model P blends artisanal cooking with modern convenience for the ultimate pizza experience. And that wraps up our countdown of 15 innovative products shaping the way we live, work, and relax. From futuristic robotic helpers to smart home appliances and next-generation kitchen gadgets, each one is a small glimpse into how technology continues to evolve around us. What's truly exciting is how these products go beyond just convenience. They're about creating smarter spaces, saving time, and even bringing more enjoyment into everyday routines. Whether it's a robotic mower giving you back your weekends, a compact purifier ensuring clean air while you sleep, or a smart oven that takes the guesswork out of cooking, each product plays its role in building a connected lifestyle. At Best Reviews, we believe innovation is not just about flashy features, but about how these ideas make a real difference in our daily lives. And looking at this list, it's clear the future of home technology is becoming more personal, more intelligent, and more accessible than ever before. We'll continue exploring the latest and most exciting releases, so you don't have to search endlessly. Everything you need to know, all in one place. So if you enjoyed today's countdown, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, so you'll always stay up to date with our newest reviews and roundups. And we'd love to hear from you. Which of these products caught your attention the most? Was it the stair-climbing robot vacuum, the smart pizza oven, or maybe the Petlibro RFID feeder for your furry friends? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, because your feedback helps guide the reviews and countdowns we create for you. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of the best reviews community. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you in the next video.